Okay, quick demonstration on how to solve linear equations that have pronumerals on the left and the right hand side of the equation. Again, we need to remember that it's all about keeping it in balance, that we need to be ensuring that the left hand side stays equivalent to the right hand side. Don't be in a rush and do things one at a time. The aim is that we end up with pronumerals on the left and numbers on the right. So I'm going to start by getting rid of any numbers from the left-hand side. So I've got a number, -2. To get rid of -2, I need to add 2, and -2 goes. So on this side, I'm left with 3x equals x plus 6. But if I added 2 to this side, I need to add 2 to this side. Okay. My next step is to try and move this x to the left-hand side. So to get rid of positive x, I need to take away an x. All right, and then you're gone. So this time, on the left-hand side, if I took x away from there, I need to 3x, take x away from here. And I end up with 3x minus x equals positive 6 plus 2. Don't forget, we've got to look at the sign that comes with the numbers and the letters. So 3x minus x equals 2x, and that is equivalent to 6 plus 2, which equals 8. To get rid of the 2 from here, 2 times x equals 8. I'm going to divide this side by 2, so I end up with x. But if I divided the left-hand side by 2, I need to divide the right-hand side by 2. And I end up with 4. Terrific. Let's just do one more to make sure that we're all over this. Let's go for, this time I'm going to say negative 4x plus 3 equals x minus 5. Let's make it 2x minus 5. Okay, I need to make sure that the left-hand side stays equivalent to the right-hand side. The aim being that all my letters come to the left and my numbers go to the right. Let's not be in a rush. Let's start by getting rid of this positive 3 first. To get rid of positive 3, I have to take 3 away. So that's gone. And on this side, I end up with negative 4x equals 2x minus 5. I took 3 away from there. I'll take 3 away from here. Excellent. Now I want to move negative 2x over to this side. So I've got to get rid of it from this side. So I'm going to minus 2x. And that gets rid of that. So I'm taking minus 2x over to this side. And I end up with negative 4x minus 2x equals, the whole thing comes down. Don't forget to look at the signs in front of your numbers and your letters. Negative 5 minus 3. Negative 4 minus 2 comes to negative 6x equals negative 5 minus 3, negative 8. So if negative 6 times x equals negative 8, to get rid of negative 6 times, I'm going to divide by negative 6, which cancels that out and cancels that out, and I end up with x. But if I divided this side by negative 6, I need to divide this side by negative 6. Really quickly, I'm going to 8 divided by negative 6. I can see that the signs are the same, so the answer's positive, and I end up with 8 divided by 6. 6 goes into 8 one time with 2 little sixths left over, and I know that 2 sixths is really 1 and 1/3. Oh, sorry, that just came off the page. There it is there, 1 1/3. X equals 1 1/3. Terrific.